Welcome to Real Men Get It Done. We are covering beard care today. I have several videos that I either will have up or are going to release about beard care, so check those out on my page. But today I'm actually going to trim my beard. In between going to the barber, I take care of my beard myself. I have done so for several years since I was in college, starting to kind of trim myself up. I'm a grown man now with kids. So my beard is very particular. I'm very just particular about keeping it nice and shaped up, but I just recently found a barber after 4 years of living here. So that has been a cool experience to really get me fresh to death as I've kind of grown it out. So check this video out, stay tuned, get some motivation, get some tips and tricks. But the biggest thing is just if you're looking to start doing your beard or cutting your hair, start off small. Take baby steps. Don't try to do the whole thing your very first experience. Maybe after you go to your barber, go ahead and trim it every couple of days and stay in the outline of what he's done for your beard. And then as you get more and more comfortable, you'll be able to tackle more and more things. Okay, so my setup is fairly inexpensive. These are some cheap clippers from Walmart. They're Andes. All my products are pretty much Andes. I like them. So this is an Andes product from Walmart. This is an Andes clipper I ordered off of eBay. This is a wireless one, which is pretty good, doing a whole bunch of stuff. You'd be surprised how much power this little one holds, but it's a Model D8. And this is pretty much it. I'm going to, I already had a shower, so my hair is fresh and dry. I'm going to end up working on my beard and then giving myself a fresh shave as well. And this is the Walmart Equate version of the 5-blade Quattro from, I believe, Gillette. But this works wonders on my head. I love it. And these are my simple tools that I use to keep me up and right when I don't go to a barber. So again, fairly inexpensive. And again, take your time as you are exploring working on your beard. All right, so here's the finished product. Not too bad, look decent, you know. It's not exactly what I want. Have some small imperfections, but again, it's all good. I'm not gonna stress out about it. And especially because if you stress out about it and you make a mistake, you have the liability to cut more off than what you may have wanted to. And then at that point, only thing you can do is shave it off. So I'm good right now. And that was the purpose of me stumbling upon a barber after 4 years after I've actually wanted to grow this out fuller, that it is a little bit more challenging for me to manage as an at-home barber. So I was able to find a barber, awesome guy. And I'll talk a little bit about him in a different video. But here is my at-home barbering routine, getting my beard tight, nice and fresh, just for the weekend. So next time I get a chance to see my barber. So Real Men Get It Done, signing out. Be blessed and have a great rest of the day. Let's stay motivated, y'all.